Welcome! If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time Pinterest thinks you might like a new pin from a recommended creator, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable push notifications for recommended creators on Pinterest. This is the most up-to-date method, so let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Pinterest app. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's usually a little circle with your picture or initial, and you'll find it at the top of the screen. Tap on that to go to your profile. This is where you can manage most of your account settings, including notifications. Now, right here on your profile, tap on the three dots or the settings icon. But for notifications, you'll actually want to look for an option called Notifications. Depending on your app version, you might find it right at the top, or you might need to scroll a bit. Tap on Notifications to open up all your notification preferences. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see different categories. You're looking for one that says Activity from Creators. Under this section, there's a specific option called New Pins from Creators you might like. This is the setting that controls all those recommendations Pinterest sends you based on your activity and interests. Once you've found new pins from creators you might like, tap on it. You'll notice a list of notification types, and right there, you'll see a toggle for push. This is the magic switch. When it's on, you get alerts every time Pinterest finds a new pin from a creator it thinks you'll enjoy. To stop those notifications, simply toggle the push option off. That's it. From now on, you won't get any more push notifications for recommended creators' new pins. You'll still see these pins if you browse Pinterest, but your phone will stay quiet until you decide to check the app yourself. Remember, you can always go back and turn these notifications on again if you change your mind. Pinterest makes it easy to customize your experience, so you only get the alerts you want. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below.